KG students are most welcome to their science class. Today we are having one offline class and this will be the revisional class of your social helpers. So already you know that which social helpers helps us in which particular field, and these respected people do so much for us, right? So we should also know regarding their uh, things. Maybe it may be some equipments or maybe some particular objects which they use particularly for their profession. So let us today find out that which particular respected social helpers work with which particular equipment or thing, right? So here circle the social helper who uses the particular things. Like I have given you one picture and two options of two different social helpers. You have to circle out that which particular social helpers use this thing. Like here we can find out there is a bin, that is dust bin, where it has been written use me. Now dust bins are being collected and they help us to keep our environment clean. Then who are those people who contribute their efforts in this particular work? Already we have learned it. So is it the farmer or the garbage collector? So, yes, the garbage collector are the people who helps us to keep our environment clean. And how do they help us? Regularly, without failure, they collect garbages from our homes and roadside. So, this is the particular social helper who work with this particular thing, right? Next comes, yes, stethoscope. Now you tell me that which particular social helper is using this one, doctor or tailor? So yes, we all know that it is doctor who uses this to check our heartbeats. Next is book. Now who is using book to complete their work? Gardener or teacher? So you have usually seen in your school that teachers are always busy with the books, not the gardeners, but even the gardeners are having their particular instruments, right? So we will look for it in our next number. So let us go for the number 4 one. And number 4 we can see over here we are having one envelope. And two social helpers are there, like farmer and postman. So letters are related to which social worker? Letters are related to postman. Postman is the person who delivers letter to our home, right? Now we can see a shoe. So who mends our shoe? Cobbler or plumber? So yes, it's the cobbler who helps us to mend our shoes. And even sometimes they make new shoes also for us. Next is scissor. So whose instrument is scissor? Already yesterday I have discussed that fireman is using which instrument? It's hose pipe. So scissor will be the instrument of which person? Barber, who helps you to trim your hair and you look better after that one. So here comes the barber whose instrument is particularly scissor. And do you know, students, these helpers or the particular professionals who uses with their particular instruments, these instruments are not only the things or the instruments for them, they worship them as God. Okay, because this is the particular thing, this is the particular objects with which they earn their livelihood. So not only respect them but also respect these things which help them to perform their particular duties. So every time if you are throwing something in the dustbin, so don't think that dustbin is something which we cannot touch or we cannot do it. Yes, we will touch it, we will do it, but it should be in a particular manner with safety and hygiene, right? So I will conclude my class over here. I hope everyone will note down this one in your copy, and I will be checking it tomorrow that you have gone through this class or not. Till that time, take care of yourself.